This video demonstrates installation of an AUX relay board for the LiftMaster Industrial DC Commercial Door Trolley and Hoist Style Operators models JDC, JHDC, and TDC. These products are not for residential use. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. The procedures demonstrated should only be performed by trained professional installers and service technicians. Safe operation and servicing requires that you follow all instructions and safety advisories found in the manual. To locate a trained professional installer or service technician, go to liftmaster.com/locate-a-dealer. Up to 2 additional AUX relay boards can be added to the operator, providing an additional 4 relays. Each AUX relay board kit includes the AUX relay board, hardware, and data cable. To add an AUX board, disconnect all AC power to the operator and DC battery power if provided. Attach the AUX board to either the top or bottom mounting location inside the lid of the operator using the provided hardware. Wire your auxiliary device to the AUX relay port on the AUX board. Each relay has a normally open, common, and normally closed connection, labeled on the AUX board as NO-COM and NC. Connect the data cable to either data port on the AUX board labeled Main WIs to the expansion port on the main board labeled EXP port. When connecting 2 AUX boards, you will daisy chain them together. The second AUX board's data cable will plug into the open data port on the first AUX board. In this example, we are attaching a red light, green light and have wired the red light to AUX Relay 1 and the green light to AUX Relay 2. For the standard functionality, all red light DIP switches on AUX Relay 1 are set to off, and all DIP switches on AUX Relay 2 are set to on. Your DIP switch settings will determine your functionality. See the manual for more DIP switch configuration options. Now, restore power to the operator and reconnect the battery backup if provided. Then, test the auxiliary device's functionality. That's it. Your new AUX board is configured and ready to use. Visit support.partner.liftmaster.com to learn more about how to get the most out of LiftMaster products with MyQ Facility.